So here we have the BoostCharge Pro fast wireless charger for Apple Watch and Powerbank plus Powerbank. 10,000 milliamps. Bit of a mouthful, isn't it? Nevertheless, great product. This is actually just the packaging for it. We can get rid of that. Here's the actual product. I ran a series of tests, nothing too scientific, but just to get an idea of both the fast charging functionality for the Apple Watch, which takes place via the puck here, and likewise the USB-C functionality for fast charging iPhones. So without further ado, let's get into the review. So as you can see here, these are the two devices I used for the testing. On the right, you've got the new Belkin Apple Watch fast charger power bank. That can output USB-C at 20 watts versus on the left, you've got the Mophie Power Station all-in-one. Also a great power bank. It's got Apple Watch puck and a wireless charger that outputs at 18 watts. So yeah, let's give that a go. I'll also show you how I set up the watch testing. So as you can see here, I've got my Apple Watch Ultra charging on both power banks here. The Mophie one does have a little bit of a kick, kind of a stand which you can elevate the Apple Watch puck, but the Belkin one does its job. It's just flat, just slides on, and it is the first power bank to be able to fast charge the Apple Watch. Obviously that's available on the Series 7, Series 8 and the Ultra, so that's awesome. And let's have a look at some of the results that I got. So for the iPhone USB-C fast charging testing, as you can see here, the pink represents the Belkin BoostCharge Pro and the orange represents the Mophie Power Station. Essentially they were practically identical results. After 16 minutes of charging from 10%, got 47% on the Belkin power bank versus 46%, and then doing another test starting at 40% for both. After 19 minutes, both were exactly on 69%. This makes sense and is in line with what I read research-wise, because basically even if you've got more power output than 18 watts, such as 20 watts in this case, the iPhone can only charge at a maximum of 18 watts. Now, in terms of the first Apple Watch test, as you can see here, both battery levels started at 50%, and after 28 minutes of charging, the regular speed Apple Watch charger, as indicated by the Mophie Power Station all-in-one, had 62%, whereas the fast charger on the Belkin BoostCharge Pro had 80%. In fact, it may have even hit 80% a couple of minutes earlier. I only saw it after 28 minutes, that around then it had hit 80%. Now for the next test, I started the watch at 20% on both power banks, and we charged for 30 minutes of charging. Regular speeds brought that up to about 36% for my Apple Watch Ultra versus 56% after 30 minutes for the Belkin BoostCharge Pro fast charger for Apple Watch / power bank. So good little increase there of 20% versus regular charging speeds. Now finally, we did a quick 15 minutes of charging when the watch was at 70%. On the regular charger got to 74% versus the fast charger, which got to 80%. This might not sound like a lot in theory, it's on an extra 6%, but it is more than double the percent charged, so there's a difference between 4% gain versus an extra 10% gain, therefore demonstrating the fast charging difference and functionality there. So as you can see, it's in stock on the Belkin website and retails for $139.95 AUD. In my opinion, it's worth it. I mean, it's the first portable fast charger for the Apple Watch, first power bank that has this functionality. Belkin definitely leaning on this in terms of marketing, but in this case they have genuinely innovated here, so fair play. And yeah, it'll definitely be very useful if I need some quick juice for my Apple Watch on the go. So yeah, it'll complement my existing power bank well and give me a fast charging portable solution. Great, hope you've enjoyed. Have a good one.